They say love don't cost a dime, don't cost no money. Sometimes I be out of it, don't wanna see nobody.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ayana, aka the Curvy Barbie. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for continuing to support the channel and clicking on another video. And I wanted to bring to you guys a Valentine's Day haul. I'm a little late. Valentine's Day is on Friday, but I figure better late than never. Maybe you guys, might be going out next weekend instead of this weekend on the actual Valentine's Day weekend. And it'll give you a little time to, order, whatever one of these dresses that you feel like is, something that you will want to wear, or just get an idea. Maybe you might already have it in your closet. So the first one that I'm wearing is from Shein, and then the rest of them are going to be from FashionNova. But I just wanted to kind of show you guys this one because I just recently purchased this one, and I really like it. So at first when I saw it on the model, I was kind of like, I don't really know, but my husband was like, oh, that's cute. So I just bought it. I think it might have been like $15, $20. You know how Shein is just extremely affordable. So I'll put the prices and, also I'll put my sizes on the screen so that you guys can, kind of get an idea of how to order. I order a large. I think this is a large. Usually when I order long sleeve dresses, I usually order a large. And the material is pretty stretchy. It's actually a really good material. It's not like that cheap, swishy material that sometimes you get from Shein. And that's also why I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm thinking for this is giving like, like first date, Valentine's Day. Well, not first date, but like your first Valentine's with, your spouse or whoever. I'm more of a, I'm married now, if you don't know that already. So for me, Valentine's Day, I'm throwing it on, the sexier the better. So this is more like put together, I'm covered up, but still cute. Throw a heel on with it, a pop, maybe like a red bag, a pop of color or something like that, and I think this will be good. It fits nicely to my curves. The material is, like I said, is stretchy, but not, too stretchy, and it fits me really nice. I really like this one. As you guys can see, it is it comes just before my knees. That's the length of it. There is a button back here. It's actually unbuttoned, but there's a button here to kind of tighten up the neck. If you see like that, it tightens up. I was having a hard time with it, so I just left it, but it's cute. I like there's no zippers or anything like that. So this is the first one, and I have a couple more for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. And don't forget to let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite. Dress number 2 is from FashionNova, like I said before. It's a very figure-hugging, dress, midi dress. Once again, the length, it comes right before my knees. It fits, extremely well to my curves, which I love. It has like this little V cut out here, kind of, I guess, to show a little, a little skin. It's short sleeves. It's not like fully short sleeves. It comes a little past my shoulders, which I kind of like. That's cute. Right here, there's like some sort of binding in here, like wires here, I guess, to kind of, create like a little more, make it a little fancier. It also creates like a, opening for your chest, like I said, to make it a little sexier, because I think this outfit, if I'm being honest, you can kind of wear this to the office, but at the same time with this opening, it kind of gives it a little more, you know, sex appeal basically, you know, so you can kind of go from the office, you know, out to date night or out with the girls or something like that. I will say that the material of this it's not stretchy at all. Great material, really good quality material, but it's not stretchy at all. So if you wanted to just, you know, fit perfectly like this, then order your size, because this is a large. But if you want a little more room, you know, in it, then I would size up maybe. Just to kind of give you a little more room. But other than that, I don't really have any issues with it. It's not like, you know, too fitted. If you see a little line here, I'm sorry. I think it's my deodorant, but when I was putting it on. So if you do get this, put your deodorant on after. There's a little slit in the back, which, like I said, that also adds to the, you know, the sexiness of it. You know, you can wear this. I have on tights right now, but, you know, if it's like a warmer climate where you are, you don't have to wear tights. And, you know, I really like this. So let me know what you guys think. I don't really have anything else to say about this. Like I said, it's just, you know, really nice, very fitted. Yeah, I love the material. It's coming off, I think it might look like it's like a blue, but it's actually like a green, an emerald green. So I really like this color. I also have this in black too. They might have a couple other colors. I'll let you guys know. But other than that, on to the next one. Okay guys, so this next one is one that I actually brought this for Christmas. It was gonna be, you know, I bought a couple. I think I bought like 3 different ones for me and my family's Christmas photos. And I just wasn't feeling this one for Christmas. So, you know, I just tucked it in the back of my closet or whatever. And I figure you know, show you guys this one, give you guys an idea. Because I do think it is really nice. I love the sparkly details of it. This is like, you know, if you maybe like you're going to a concert or something like that. I really like that. The only thing I will say about this is that I did have tights on for the other ones, for the other dresses, but I took them off because I just feel like this has like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like a ruching going up the middle here, all the way down. And it just wasn't working with the tights. I just feel like it was kind of like competing with each other a little bit, if that makes sense. Like, you know how when you're, you know, you pull up your tights and then you have this, because this is kind of like a pull up too. You kind of got to pull this up too. There's a slip under it that's attached, which I love that. I love a good slip that's attached. Like it's very stretchy, so I would just, you know, don't size up or down. Just get your size. Maybe size down. The only reason why I'll say that is because the bottom for me fits. Here's what I'll say. Size down if you're not as, you know, your proportions aren't as, you know, crazy as mine, where you're bigger on the bottom. Just because I just feel like it's a lot of extra room in this top part. I kind of wish it was a little tighter on the top. Also, I'm gonna say that you are probably gonna have to tape the girlies up, just because of the sheer. I don't think that, you know, even if you wore like a black bra or something like that, I think it would just mess up the outfit a little bit. So I would tape the girlies up if you need to. Overall, there's a zipper in the back here. No slits, which I like that. You know, it's just always straight down, and it actually comes below my knees. You guys can't really see it. Okay, there you go. You can see it. So it does come below the knees, so it's nice and long. If you're not as curvy, it might come, you know, even longer than that. But yeah, I really like the details of the sparkles. I don't think that they're coming off. They don't really feel like cheap, you know. And I like it. It's kind of giving like a two-piece, but it's, you know, it's not very sexy. I love this. So let me know what you guys think. And on to the next one. So this one is a little more playful, more like a lunch date, you know, a little more casual, I would say, but still cute. It's a little, you know, nice little skirt. I actually got this skirt off Amazon. I'll still link it in the description box below. And then this is actually a bodysuit from FashionNova. I have this in a couple different colors, just, you know, to add to the collection of, you know, basics. And I just figure I'd throw it on together. I thought this would be kind of cute, you know, playful. Like I said, you know, a little less, I think it's still sexy, but, you know, it's giving like a little more casual. Basically, you know, maybe you're going out for coffee instead of, you know, a date night, or maybe even like going out with the girls or something, because I know you guys do like Valentines and things like that. So I think this will be cute for something like that. The skirt is a little short, especially for somebody like me with a lot of curves, but you know, it's a little risque, but I pair it with some tights, and, you know, maybe you could even put like a little, you know, some, you know, little shorts under it if you are curvier like me. But I just like the way it flows. It's very playful, you know, throw a heel on with it or something, and, you know, just have fun. So the last one is going to be my favorite. Always going to be, the last ones are always my favorite. And it's also going to be more my style, something that I would actually consider wearing for Valentine's Day, because like I said before, you know, I'm married, so I like to keep the spice in the relationship. So for Valentine's Day or just date night period, I like to throw it on, you know, show a little skin. So I'll let you see that one, and I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. And on to the next one. Okay, so last one is my favorite. It's so simple but sexy, and that's kind of my, you know, that's kind of my vibe. I like to keep it simple. I like to buy clothes that fit, you know, to my shape, but at the same time, it's sexy. When I say that this dress was only like maybe $15, it might have even been cheaper than that, and that's kind of why I bought it, because I was like, it's a simple black dress but cute, you know, where can I go wrong? Even if it was like a cheap material or something. I rarely find cheap materials from FashionNova, so, you know, I was willing to take the gamble for, you know, $15, $15, but I love this. I hope, you know, if FashionNova, if you're watching, I hope that you guys make more of these. I hope it's not being discontinued. That's the reason why it was so cheap. But anyway, I'm going to try and link it in the description box below, because it's amazing. The material is, you know, like a nice, it's actually a warm material. I want to say this is probably like cotton, but it's still stretchy though. It goes all the way down to my knees, a little past my knees. Fits perfectly. There's nothing on the back, nothing taken away from the body, you know. Long sleeves, which is, especially for right now, is my favorite, so I can still be warm but cute. And then it just gives this detail here. You know, you show off a little of the boobs, you know, like I said, for Valentine's Day, you gotta get a little sexy. And I just love it. And then you pair it with a nice choker or something, and it's like the perfect spot for it too. Like the way this thing cuts here, it's like, you know, it leaves just enough room for my necklace, and I just love it. So I'm not sure if this is what I will be wearing for Valentine's Day, but you guys stay tuned and I'll let you guys know. But don't forget to let me know in the description, in the comment section below, which one was your favorite. Check the description box for all the details on all of these. I'll put as many links as I can find. And I thank you guys for clicking on this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.